Flags wrapped around the pole, so it's all good.
Good day to die, Brent. Good day to die.
Oh, fuck! Oh. Yeah.
Brent dog. 3, 2, 1.
Yo! Right, it's God knows what time in the morning, windy, raining, and what are we doing here, Jimbo?
No idea.
I think it's very, very touch and go whether we're going to be riding down this thing. It's such a shame, but everyone's heading up there now to have a look around and see what's going on. We'll see. Hopefully we can get a run in. But I mean, the 90 footers in on Thursday with like 15-mile-an-hour gusts were crazy, so God knows what it's going to be like with 25 today. We'll see. I'm stoked. What's going on, Ad? Are we riding down Mordor or what?
I think we're going. It's a good day to die, Brent. Good day to die.
Gollum's up there with the ring, with his ring piece up there somewhere.
Yeah, we're going to go get it, hopefully.
Look at that waterfall over there.
And this show.
What are we doing? Huh?
Scared me.
At least you got a nice haircut.
Yeah, 25 quid.
Nice.
Cash machine won't work.
Have you?
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Bollocks you have.
I have. You run them in a dry up, boy. Got wet screens on,
Mate, you want to get Pirellis on and then you can fly down here.
Oh, yeah.
Have an update, open the window. Oh, those beautiful. The clouds are flying through the valley.
Chopping it. Going to be kicking up dust.
Right.
You apologise for the weather.
Is it your fault? No!
Oh dear.
Cheers, mate, thanks a lot.
Cheers.
How you feeling, Berkey?
I'm waiting for everyone to go ahead so they can put the tracking for us, mate. I'm no idiot.
Because we love it! Are you alright, Jelon?
That's alright.
Huh? How people hit it?
Yeah, something. Yeah. No, it's okay. Yeah. Yeah, boys.
Fuck it, I'll hit it.
Hey, does anyone jump it?
Bernard.
Bernard? Obviously.
But look, the 90's at chill now. Huh?
You do these two then?
Yeah, they're fine.
I don't think
You go, George! The flag's wrapped around the pole, so it's all good.
No way.
God!
Oh my god. Oh my.
I didn't even watch.
What? Do you think you're just out of control?
Yeah. Right, that didn't go to plan at all. We managed to do one kind of half run this morning, but the gusts were too crazy. A few people managed to get a few of the jumps dialed in, but all the sections in between the jumps are so gnarly and the wind is gusting and it's just going to end in tears. So I think for the good decision they decided to cancel it for today, so no more hardline. So this morning on this this video we've got riding down the top a little bit and some chat on the way up, and then I'll give you a little bike check, so let's check it out. Really pretty much exactly the same as my World Cup race bike, but I'll put flats back on finally. Clips are going in the bin. I'm staying with flats for the rest of the year. I instantly put them back on and just felt good again, so clips are in the bin. Black on this side, silver on that side, so good. But yeah, the front, I've got some new tyres on this thing as well. Just recently picked up Pirelli as a partner, so this sick tread up front. Yeah, it's like the Pirelli Scorpion Race. This one's actually like the Enduro casing, so it's like a little bit lighter, but probably should have had the DH one on for this track, but super good, amazing grip. And on the back I've got the same, but like a different tread pattern. This one is the race downhill wall T, so that's a bit like more of an aggressive one. And the cool thing about these is that this little knob in the middle here, if you look in there, that's made so you can cut it out, so when it gets really wet you can just cut that knob out. So yeah, so that's pretty sick. But so at the back we've got SRAM gears back on, we've got Hayes brakes, Envy wheels again. This is the new sort of prototype wheel that's going to be coming out pretty soon. A little bit more flex in it, so you keep grip over off camera and it's not quite as stiff, with still the characteristics of the old rim, like the stiff like when you hit a turn it just fires you out. It's such a cool feeling. But this one just has a little bit more compliance, so you can grip a little bit more. DMR axe cranks, DMR bolt pedals, Fox DHX shock coil on the back, obviously Deity bar stem and seat, BF 800 bars, at my signature Deity bar, and I've actually left it at 800mm. So yeah, that 800mm is my new width. So on the bar it says Brendog Choice Cut 780, but now I'm actually back 800, so it's a bit of false advertising there. But yeah, yeah, that's the Scott bike for the hardline. Really nothing else special. That's my number board. Got mud hugger, big old fender on there to keep the mud out of the eyes. So yeah, we're stoked. Yeah, so that's my hardline bike. Oh yeah, and the Hayes Dominion brakes. These like the custom purple Hayes edition. So we've got them on there to match from bars. So yeah, we're matchy, and that is my not hardline winning race bike. Hardline practice day bike. Ciao. There you go. Done. Cheers, mate.